Hello guys, welcome back to another episode, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix slow performance issue on your IQ devices. So let's get into the workarounds, and if you are for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more videos. So let's move to the workarounds. So the first one, if the browser is installed in your devices having multiple tabs open, so this will be definitely causing the slow performance of a smartphone, and many users really don't have an idea about the same. So as you can see, in some cases many people always have a tendency of keeping multiple tabs in the first. So this is actually iterating all of your performance in the same way as well as your RAM. So this is a very important message that all the people have to try out, not for the IQ but for all the devices. So moving to the next one is all about, you have to check if the problem can be solved by a simple reboot on your devices. You can do a simple restart, and you can check whether you are able to fix the issue up or not. Sometimes by doing a basic restart, this has to be fixed. Moving to the next one, the reason you are facing this problem is nothing but an OS bug. So we have to make sure that you are on the latest version of OS. So if any kind of updates are available, so you just have to go for update. You can do that in the settings, which is quite common, as well as many of you guys will knowing about it. So you just have to make sure that you're on the latest version, and if you're having any kind of update, like as you can see, you just have to go for the update. Moving to the next one is all about, this problem might be caused by a recently downloaded or installed theme in your smartphone. So we have to make sure on that. Simultaneously, some important settings of a device can cause this problem. So we already recommend you guys on all the time, you should not be changing out some of the themes as well as some of the basic necessities on your smartphone. So due to some issue, this can happen in between, so make sure in that case also. And also this problem can be fixed simply by updating the app installed in the devices if they are still running in our old or outdated version, which can be done over here in the Play Store if you give the respective permissions. So it will be automatically getting updated if you connect it to the Wi-Fi or something. So it can be done from here. So we can do in that part. Here we haven't signed in, so we're having some issue. So I will be skipping this. You just have to do the necessary. Moving to the next one is, make sure that you are not downloading anything from third-party applications, like apart from Play Store. If you're depending on any kind of website or something, definitely if you're downloading any kind of file, you will be having the virus as well as malware or something. So you have to make sure in that part. The reason you are facing this problem is nothing but connectivity, connecting your IQ devices gadget through any mode. For example, if you're you just have to try with the flight mode, you have to do that, and you have to disable it, and you have to check back, and most probably this has to be fixed. The slow performance of any smartphone might be due to slow internet connection. So if you're on the Wi-Fi, as you can see here, we are on the Wi-Fi. Simultaneously, if turned on data pack, you just have to make sure that you're having enough data pack, or else you'll be having the trouble. Because if the data pack is not having enough MBs or something, so you'll be definitely having the issue. So even that you can think in simultaneously way that's the reason why it is happening. And also there are chances that the fault is caused just because your device is having a security issue. Sometimes it can happen. And also the storage space on your phone is completely filled. So sometimes while you're trying to download something, or it is getting completely used up, or you're having hanging issues, then definitely it is depending on the storage. So make sure that you're having enough storage on your settings over here, and make sure that you're having enough space, or else you'll be having the trouble. So these are some of the basic stuff which you have to try out. So if it is completely used up, you have to delete the unwanted things, and you have to go for it. Move to the next one is, make sure the device is not running in the power saving mode, which is quite important. If it is running in the power saving mode, you will be definitely having the issue, which can be get over here from the notification bar. So these are the basic stuff which you have to try out. If it is on the power saving mode, you will be definitely having the issue, and these are the basic trouble which you have to try out when you're having slow performance issue. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, if you're having any kind of doubts, do ask in the session. We will get back to you in the next video. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.